everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting session of integration. Integration is very easy, but some children claim that integration is one of the most difficult chapter in 12th standard. Believe me, this is not the case. Why some students find it difficult is they don't spend enough time on the basics. Integration is very easy if your basics are done thoroughly. So, if you want to make sure that your basics are done thorough, or if you are new to the channel, what you can do is you can go to the description box below. Links of the previous videos are given where we have done basics of integration very thoroughly. So in this today's session, depending on those basic questions, I am going to solve these 10 questions. They are very important for the exam 2021. What you need to do is to master them, you have to write it down and watch this video till the end. If done nicely, you can rock this year 2021 exams. Integration will be easier for you. Let's start. So let's start question number 1. Question number 1 is a mixture of whatever we have done in the previous sessions. We'll be using substitution method also, we'll be using special integral formulas also. Step 1 is obviously substitution method. When you see this question, cos x by 3 sin square x minus 4 times sin x plus 1, can you think what can be substituted here? What will be your t? Usually our idea is a function and its derivative supposed to be present in the question. So can you identify, and that is identified very easily for this question at least, that derivative of sin x is cos x, which is present in the question, easily identified. So what we can do here is we can substitute value of sin x as t. So if I put sin x as t and if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of t is dt by dx. So just take cos x and dx together. So we get cos x dx can be written as dt. So what exactly I want to tell you here is this entire cos x dx is going to be substituted as dt. Let's take it further. Observe what is going to happen here. So we have this, I'll write entire cos x dx as dt. So we get 1 by 3t square minus 4t plus 1. Now this is special integral type question. So what we need to do here is we need to make it a perfect square, then apply the formula 1 by x square plus a square, or 1 by x square minus a square, or 1 by a square minus x square. One of this. Let's try. So what we have here is, if you remember the method from the previous sessions, I always take a square as the first term. So I say a square is 3t square. So what will be a? A will be under root 3 times t. So what is 2ab now? 2ab is the second term I always take. Second term here is 4t. So 2ab here is 4 times t. I substitute the value of a. Value of a we have taken as root 3 times t. So now can we find b and b square? Easily, t getting cancelled. So b will be what? B will be 4 by 2 root 3. Basically you can simplify this, will be 2 by root 3 gives me b square as 4 by 3. So I got b square as 4 by 3. Now what we do here is whatever we get b square we add and subtract in the question. So we have here 1 by, we have 3t square plus minus 4t. In this I am going to do plus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3, and that plus 1 we keep it as it is, dt. Simplify this. So if I simplify this, what I get is I'm taking LCM in the denominator. So we get 9 times t square, this 3 and 3 is multiplied, minus 12 times t plus 4 minus 4, and this 3 is multiplied with 1 also, so we get plus 3. So everything is divided by 3, that I am writing in the numerator. Now what I do next, I just take first of all this 3 outside the integration sign. It's a constant, we can keep 3 outside, so we get, now we have to make it a variable plus constant, ठीक है. So or minus constant. Observe this. If we observe this three terms, a square minus 2ab plus b square, you can very easily write the next step, that is 3t minus 2 the whole square. 90 square, 3 to the 6 into 2 we get 12, and minus 2 square is plus 4. Second part, if you observe minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, so I am writing minus 1 the whole square. Now this turns out to be x1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square, if I have to apply the formula 1 by x square minus a square, we get this 3 I am giving as it is, 1 by 2 times a here is 1, log mod x minus a upon x plus a, that is variable minus constant upon variable plus constant. So variable here is 3t minus 2, so let me write that 3t minus 2 minus constant part, that is 1 here, upon 3t minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Now what we need to do here is we just need to simplify this little bit. So did I forget something here? But okay, there is previous video, this was made very clearly 2-3 times, that whenever the coefficient of x is anything apart from t, anything apart from 1, multiply by 1 by that number, right? So here we have coefficient of t is 3, so my next step is actually multiplying by 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 is actually getting cancelled, but you need to do that thing. What we get here is 1 by 2 log mod 3t minus 2 minus 1, simplify करेंगे minus 3, 3t minus 1 plus c. Is problem over? नहीं. Substitute the value of t again. At times in board exam, usually students forget to write down the value of t again and they lose marks for that. Make sure that you are not one of them. So substitute the value of t here. What we get is, we get 1 by 2 log mod, what is the value of t? We have taken t as sin x, so this is 3 times sin x minus 3 upon 3 times sin x minus 1 plus c, and that's my answer. So this is my question number 1. We go to the next question. We have question number 2 now. This question was basic. The first question was easy. You just need to know some of the basic things. Substitution समझ में आना चाहिए था, formula याद होना चाहिए था, ठीक है. Substitution was not difficult because it was very easily identifiable. Second question, substitution is what you have to think, ठीक है. So try करना खुद से पहले. You can hit that pause button and you can think कि यहाँ पे substitution क्या होगा. My question number 2 is, we have sec x tan x everything divided by 9 minus 16 times tan square x. We have tan square x dx. Okay. Now what is your t here? Substitution will not be that easy, but with little practice you can learn this kind of things very easily. Observe, we have tan square x, derivative of tan x क्या होगा? sec square x. क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिख रहा है. Derivative of tan square x क्या होगा? 2 times tan x, and then derivative of tan x which is sec square x. So tan x sec square x, but I don't have tan x sec square x. मेरे पास sec x into tan x है. sec x into tan x इसका डेरिवेटिव हो सकता है. Sec x into tan x is derivative of sec x. If you remember, derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So this gives a very clear cut idea that I might have to convert this tan square x to sec square x minus 1 in the beginning, and then I have to use substitution. Observe करो कैसे करेंगे ये. So I am just keeping sec x tan x as it is. 9 minus 16, I am just going to write tan square x के बदले में यहाँ पे लिखने वाला हूँ sec square x minus 1. 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta होता है, kind of thing. We just manipulated this formula and we got tan square x का value sec square x minus 1. Let's simplify further. If I just simplify, I am keeping numerator as it is, वो हम change नहीं करने वाले फिलहाल. Bracket open करते हैं, we get 16 times sec square x minus and minus, this will be plus 16. और एक सब simplification कर देते हैं, we get 9 plus 16 as 25 minus 16 times x square x, and we have sec x tan x in the numerator. Now t substituting something as t will be very easy. What we do here is I'll just put sec x as t, and if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, derivative of t is dt by dx. Just take dx on other side, so sec x tan x and dx is going to be my dt. So this entire numerator sec x tan x dx I'll just now replace with dt. So what we get next is we get 1 by, okay, this entire thing numerator I'm just going to write as dt. So we have now 25 minus 16 sec square x, right? So what we get here is we get 25 minus 16 t square dt. Now our focus is supposed to be only on 1 by 25 minus 16 t square को कैसे solve करेंगे? Now this is 1 by a square minus x square type question, right? Do you remember what is integration of 1 by a square minus x square? Constant minus variable. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. Just apply the formula 1 by 2a. Observe करो यहाँ पे a square 25 है. So a का value क्या होगा? A का value will be 5 log mod a plus x, 5 plus variable 16t square के बदले हम लोग लिखना है 4t the whole square. So I'll be writing 4t upon 5 minus 4t plus c. कुछ भूल गए? ठीक है? Now this is what happens in the exam. You are in flow and you forget small thing like multiplying by 1 by 4. Make sure you are not one of them. So थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं इसको. 4 5 20 into 2 we get 40, so we get 1 by 40 log mod 5 plus 4 times, substitute the value of t. Value of t here is sec x, so I'm just going to substitute the value of t as sec x. So 4 times sec x upon we get 5 minus 4 times, again substitute the value of t which is sec x for this question. Don't forget these two things. Usually t का value भूल जाएंगे या 1 by 4 को multiply नहीं करेंगे, you will lose marks unnecessarily. So make sure plus c. That's my answer. ठीक है? The beginning was difficult, right? That converting tan square x to sec square x minus 1, simplifying and then putting sec x as t to get sec x tan x as dt. That step, if you remember, you'll manage these things very easily. Okay? Let's go to the question number 3. Our question number 3 is we have under root e power x upon, we have under root a square e power x plus b square e power minus x dx. Okay, now this is one of the very frequently asked type of question in the exam, but यहाँ पे अभी square root के अंदर है, denominator is inside the square root. First two question the denominator में there was no square root, so here we might have to use 1 by under root a square plus x square, 1 by under root a square minus x square, or 1 by under root x square minus a square formula. You know those formulas. So first step is I always say we hate negative, right? मैं continuously बोलते रहता हूँ बार बार we hate negative. So I don't like anywhere to the power minus 6. मैं उसको positive कर लेता हूँ. So that will be my first step. What I'll do here is I just write, I keep everything else as it is, and I'm just going to write e power minus x को मैं denominator में लेके आता हूँ. That will be plus हो जाएगा, right? E power x. And this dx as it is. थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं इसको, थोड़ा simplification in the beginning होगा यहाँ पर. So e power x and e power x, if I multiply I get a square e power x will be e power 2x plus b square. Now everything divided by under root e power x we have, right? And this under root e power x. Next step, I'll just multiply this e power x in the numerator. What we get finally is root e power x and root e power x. It's like root 5 into root 5 multiply करोगे तो 5 आएगा. So root of e power x and root of e power x will give you e power x. Everything divided by square root of a square e power 2x. So I'm just going to write this as a e power x the whole square plus b square. Now you can very easily realize that here substitution will be e power x only, right? So if I say put e power x equal to t, and if I differentiate derivative of x, e power x will be e power x, derivative of t will be dt by dx. I'm just taking dx on other side, So e power x and dx will be substituted as dt. So तो काफ़ी आसान हो गया हमारे लिए. दिस विल बी अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर, वहाँ पे ए ई पावर एक्स है उसको ए स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर कर देते हैं, प्लस बी स्क्वायर डी टी. नाउ वी हैव अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर विच आई लुक एट एज वेरिएबल प्लस कांस्टेंट. मैं इसको एज 1 बाय अंडर रूट वेरिएबल प्लस कांस्टेंट के तरीके से देखूंगा. सो व्हाट वी गेट हियर इज वी गेट, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग वन मोर स्टेप, ए टी दी होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. So it's easy to understand that here constant is b and variable is at. So just apply the formula, we get log mod variable at plus square root of जो भी question में होगा वो वापस आएगा at the whole square plus b square plus c and coefficient of t. Coefficient of t here is a, right? So I'm just going to multiply by 1 by a. फाइनली इसको जस्ट लिख लेते हैं नाइसली. वी जस्ट गेट 1 बाय ए लॉग मॉड ए, सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ टी अगेन ई पावर एक्स प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर कर दिया मैंने. वहाँ पे टी का वैल्यू क्या लिखेंगे, ई पावर एक्स दी होल स्क्वायर करना है तो मैं ई पावर 2x लिख देता हूँ प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी एंड दैट्स माई आंसर. सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ये भी, ठीक है, बट यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस सच क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इंटरेस्टिंग था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 और भी इंटरेस्टिंग है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज वी हैव अंडर रूट 1 प्लस सेक थीटा डी थीटा. नाउ एज आई वाज डिस्कसिंग ऑल द क्वेश्चन विद स्पेशल इंटीग्रल वाले फॉर्मूलाज, व्हेन यू सी सच क्वेश्चन यू विल नॉट थिंक अबाउट स्पेशल इंटीग्रल इसमें अप्लाई करना होगा, बट समहाउ विद a small trigonometric formula use, this all will get converted to all this thing. So before I start this question, I have couple of couple of basic formulas मैं पूछूंगा. One is, do you remember what is 1 plus cos 2 theta का formula? 1 plus cos 2 theta का formula याद है क्या? Do you remember? 2 cos square theta. नेक्स्ट 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा होगा तो क्या लिखेंगे, विल राइट 2 cos square theta by 2. So observe that if angle in the left hand side is 2 theta, angle in the right hand side is theta. So अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में थीटा है तो राइट हैंड साइड में क्या होगा, थीटा by 2 होगा. ठीक है. So I am going to use this concept in this question. Next is do you remember cos 2 theta? There are 4 formulas, right? So the first one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Next one is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We also have 2 cos square theta minus 1, and we have 1 in the terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. So all this are formulas for cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta के इतने सारे formulas हैं. I am going to use one of this. ठीक है. Let's check while solving which one to use and why that to use, that we'll discuss. So इसको simplify कर लेते हैं. फिर से वापस एक बार question लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे. So we have question number 4 was integration of under root 1 plus sec theta d theta था. So first of all sec में हमारे पास कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं तो मैं इसको cos में कन्वर्ट कर लेता हूँ. So I'm just going to write this as 1 by cos theta d थीटा. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा रूट cos थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन cos थीटा. नाउ लेट मी टेक एक्चुअली सेपरेट स्क्वायर रूट फॉर द न्यूमरेटर, सेपरेट स्क्वायर रूट फॉर द डिनोमिनेटर. सो वी गेट, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग cos थीटा प्लस 1 के बदले 1 प्लस cos थीटा. विल बी इजियर टू रिकॉल क्या करना है वहाँ पे, एंड अंडर रूट cos थीटा d थीटा. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई सम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूलाज हियर. 1 प्लस cos थीटा हमने अभी भी डिस्कस किया था. इंस्टेड ऑफ 1 प्लस cos थीटा आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू राइट as 2 cos square theta by 2. Now this step, this trigonometric simplification at times is bit difficult for many if you don't put enough efforts to remember those trigonometric formula. Make sure that you put enough efforts. Next is under root cos theta. Cos 2 theta के मैंने 4 फॉर्मूलाज अभी भी दिए थे, उसमें से कोई एक यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. फॉर्मूलाज मैंने 2 थीटा में दिए थे, यहाँ पे थीटा है. So you have to take care of that thing also. सो ऑब्जर्व करो न्यूमरेटर में मेरे पास अभी क्या है cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2, उसका स्क्वायर होगा तो cos थीटा. सो cos थीटा किसका डेरिवेटिव? cos थीटा साइन का डेरिवेटिव है, राइट? सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट cos थीटा इन द डिनोमिनेटर को आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2 एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस पर्टिकुलर जो मैंने यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई किया है, जो मैंने cos थीटा के बदले 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2 लिखा है, दिस गिव्स ट्रबल इन द एग्जाम इफ यू डोंट हैव मास्टरी ओवर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूलाज. ठीक है, सो नाउ जस्ट एक स्टेप और कर लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू राइट रूट 2 टाइम्स cos थीटा बाई 2. मैंने यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट ले लिया 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2. नाउ इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट कैन बी योर सब्स्टिट्यूशन हियर. सो फोकस करते हैं सिर्फ अगर हमारा क्वेश्चन ये होगा रूट 2 cos थीटा बाई 2 अपॉन 1 माइनस 2 sin square theta by 2 inside the square root, what we'll do here is we'll just put sin theta by 2 as t. If I take sin theta by 2 as t and if I differentiate with respect to theta, derivative of sin theta by 2 क्या होगा? Derivative sin theta by 2 में chain rule भी apply करना पड़ेगा. First of all, derivative sin theta by 2 will be cos of theta by 2. Now chain rule apply करेंगे, we need to take derivative of theta by 2. Again derivative of theta by 2 will be half. ठीक है, so this is going to be half and derivative of t with respect to theta will give me dt by d theta. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे theta आना चाहिए था d theta. ठीक है, so what we get finally is we get cos theta by 2 d theta is going to be 2 times dt. So this entire thing, the numerator में मेरे पास cos theta by 2 d theta है, इसके बदले में क्या लिखने वाला अभी I am going to write as just 2 dt. So what we get finally is we have under root 2 and I am just going to write 2 times dt, everything divided by 1 minus 2 t square. So focus on this thing now. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं बड़े प्रॉब्लम को छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम करते जा रहा हूँ. जब ना मुझे सिर्फ इस पार्ट पे फोकस करना है. 2 and root 2 कांस्टेंट है, उसको इंटीग्रेशन के बाहर रख देता हूँ मैं. 2 root 2 1 by under root 1 minus 2 t square dt. ठीक है, now what to do here is you just need to recall what is integration of 1 by under root a square minus x square वाला फॉर्मूला आपको याद होना चाहिए. 1 by under root a square minus x square, ठीक है, is sin inverse of x by a plus c. I am just going to apply this formula in this question at present. So this 2 root 2 I am still keeping outside as it is and हम लोग formula apply करते हैं. अभी we get sin inverse of, so यहाँ पे we have 2t square which I'll observe as root 2 times t the whole square. ठीक है, so my variable here is root 2 times t. So I am just going to write this as root 2 times t everything by 1 plus c. Again coefficient of t here is root 2, so don't forget to multiply 1 by root 2 कर दिया हमने. root 2 is getting cancelled. My final answer will be 2 times sin inverse root 2. Put value of t again. हमने यहाँ पे value of t क्या लिया था? Value of t was sin theta by 2. So this is sin of theta by 2. मैंने t का value फिर से substitute कर दिया plus c and that's my answer. So 2 times sin inverse of root 2 times sin theta by 2 plus c. ठीक है, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन था ये भी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इससे भी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, उसमें भी काफी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन सिंप्लीफिकेशन यूज करना है. सो मैं पहले क्वेश्चन लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे आपके लिए. सो माय क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 which is by far the most interesting question till now. आगे और भी आज एक दो इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन होने वाले हैं. तो क्वेश्चन इज वी हैव cos x minus sin x, everything divided by we have square root of 8 minus sin 2x dx. So we have cos x minus sin x by square root of 8 minus sin 2x. What can be done here? ठीक है, sin 2x का डेरिवेटिव भी अगर मैं लेता हूँ तो वो होगा cos 2x डेरिवेटिव cos 2x 2, बट वो तो न्यूमरेटर में नहीं है. ठीक है, so this is very interesting question, important for boards plus entrance also. This type of question, this type of trick is very frequently check in the entrance exam. ठीक है, this question have been asked in almost all the boards, whether it is CBSE, ISC, any state board, this type of question is previously checked in your JEE Mains or BITS or VIT or IIT, any exam, this type of question is very frequently checked. ठीक है, so क्या करना है यहाँ पर? The first thing is sin 2x gives me slight idea कि अगर sin 2x के बदले 1 plus sin 2x होता, अगर sin 2x के बदले मैं इरेज करके वापस एक बार लिख देता हूँ, कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ कि डू यू रिमेंबर व्हाट इज 1 plus sin 2x का फॉर्मूला क्या है? ठीक है, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन कि 1 plus sin 2x का फॉर्मूला आपको याद है क्या? 1 plus sin 2x is cos x plus sin x the whole square. Yeah, you can write sin x plus cos x the whole square, doesn't matter. The whole square कर रहे हैं, बीच में प्लस है, doesn't matter. So somewhere while solving I am going to use 1 plus sin 2x as sin x plus cos x the whole square. Why? Observe करो, डेरिवेटिव of sin x क्या होगा? cos x. डेरिवेटिव of cos x क्या? minus sin x, जो न्यूमरेटर में है हमारे पास. ठीक है, so what I am going to do here is I am just going to write first I need 1 plus sin 2x, right? But denominator में मेरे पास फिलहाल 1 plus sin 2x नहीं है. So what I am going to do here is I am just going to write 8 के बदले मैं लिखने वाला हूँ यहाँ पर 9 minus 1, कहना राइट? 8 के बदले this 8 instead of 8 I am just going to write 9 minus 1 minus sin 2x as it is. न्यूमरेटर में मैं कोई छेड़छाड़ी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, I am just keeping cos x minus sin x as it is. ठीक है, we have not done anything there. So we have square root of 9 ब्रैकेट के अंदर मैंने लिख दिया 1 plus sin 2x because I am going to use formula for 1 plus sin 2x, right? Numerator still as it is cos x minus sin x dx. So what we do here, I am now going to write value of 1 plus sin 2x. What is value of 1 plus sin 2x? We have discussed this. That can be written as sin x plus cos x the whole square. Now if you just focus on this question, that cos x minus sin x by under root 9 minus sin x plus cos x the whole square, अब जाके हमको substitution clearly समझ में आ रहा है कि what need to be taken as t. So I say put sin x plus cos x as t, and if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of t is dt by dx. Dx I am taking on other side, so we have got cos x minus sin x dx. I'll just replace it with dt. ठीक है, so what will happen here is we get 1 by under root 9 minus t square dt. Apply the formula 1 by, ठीक है, ये constant minus variable आ गया. So what is 1 by under root constant minus variable formula? We just simply apply the formula, we get sin inverse of t by 3 plus c. Last step, don't forget to substitute the value of t. What is the value of t? We get value of t, हमने क्या किया था यहाँ पे? Value of t was sin x plus cos x, right? So I'm just going to write the value of t here. Last step में sin x plus cos x, everything by 3 plus c, and that's my answer. Okay, so all this last 5 questions जो मैंने solve किए हैं, they depend on your understanding of special integral plus your understanding of substitution method. ठीक है, so last 3-4 videos जो किए थे हमने, उस पे dependent ये questions है. And if you are new to this channel, you can go and see those videos. उनका link भी नीचे description box में दिया हुआ है. And if you are new to the channel, first thing is just subscribe this so that you can learn integration in a very easy way, easy and fun way, where we go very slowly. And in the beginning, those small videos of 13-15 minutes are made. You just see them, and suddenly after few lectures you realize that with this basics done nicely, we can solve very easily the JEE and other entrance exam questions also. ठीक है, so let's take it further. कुछ और interesting question करते हैं. So let's start with the next type of question. We have problems of this particular type which is very frequently asked in the exam. is 1 by a times sine square x plus b times cos square x plus c, or we can also have 1 by a sine square x plus c, or we can have a plus b cos square x. Okay, all these three things, basically what you need to know here is what supposed to be done as the first step in this question. Okay, this is particular type of question where the first step here is always going to be the same thing. In any of these three thing, my first step is going to be divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So just divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. You can then try to go with the substitution method and you can apply special integral formula to this type of question. Let's actually take a couple of questions here which will give you a good idea what exactly to be done here. So my first question here is integration of 1 by 4 plus 3 cos square x. So as I discussed, my first step will be just divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. If I divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, I get 1 by cos square x, I get 4 by cos square x, and we get 3 cos square x by cos square x. Now this particular cos square x getting cancelled, 1 by cos square x we can write as sec square x. So we get 4 times sec square x here. This cos in the denominator we are taking in the numerator, so it will become sec square x. So we get plus 3 here. Now we got the question sec square x by 4 sec square x. Now to understand this is going to be substitution. If I have tan x somewhere, right, in the denominator I am supposed to have tan x, because then if I put tan x as t, I get sec square x and dx as dt. So how to convert sec square x to tan square x or something like this is we use the basic trigonometric formula. Sec square x is going to be 1 plus tan square x. So in the denominator, instead of sec square x, I am going to write 1 plus tan square x. Why you need to understand this? Because once we take tan x as t, the numerator sec square x and dx will be very easily get converted to dt. So just open this bracket. In the denominator we get 4 plus 4 tan square x plus 3, numerator we have sec square x dx. We just simplify this. 4 and 3 makes 7 plus 4 times tan square x, numerator as it is. Now we will focus only on this much, that you know if this is the question what to be done. So put tan x as t, simple hai. If I just put tan x as t and if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of tan x will be sec square x, derivative of t will be dt by dx. Just take dx on other side. So sec square x dx will be just dt now. Okay, so problem बहुत easy हो गया हमारे लिए. Now this is just 7 plus 4 times t square dt. Now we just focus on this thing कि अगर suppose मेरे पास question is 1 by 7 plus 4 t square, what to do? Now this is simple, right? 1 by constant plus variable है यहाँ पर, ठीक है, without square root. So 1 by a square plus x square का formula you need to apply. What is 1 by a square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse of x by. Just apply that formula. Here observe a square is 7, so a have to be root 7. So this will be 1 by root 7 tan inverse of 4t square. 4t square, I'll look this as 2t the whole square. So formula apply करने पे वहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2t upon root 7 plus c. As discussed, coefficient of t यहाँ पर क्या है 2. So just multiply by 1 by 2. Just थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं इसको. This will be 1 by 2 times root 7 tan inverse of 2. Don't forget to substitute the value of t. Value of t we have taken as tan x. So 2 times tan x by root 7 plus c, and that's my answer. Okay. So the first step, that is dividing by cos square x, was very important. Second important step was converting sec square x in the numerator to 1 plus tan square x, so that when we put tan x as t, sec square x and dx will get very easily converted to dt. Okay. So let's take a little bit more difficult question than this particular question. My next question, I'll give you time to think. So what you can do at times is you can, when I just write the question of this type, basically I'm just writing sin x by sin 3x. If you want, you can take a pause button, use that pause button, and you can think कि यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं. Now first of all, this doesn't look like a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c at all, right? and this is how it will be turn out to be. ठीक है, so just think कि यहाँ पे exactly कर क्या सकते हैं. ठीक है, so some of you have already thought of the first step that we can convert sin 3x to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Use the sin 3 theta formula. एक बार मैं लिख देता हूँ sin 3 theta का formula so that if somebody doesn't remember it will be helpful for them. 3 sin theta minus 4 times sin cube theta. Just apply this formula in the denominator. What we get is, I'm just write this as now 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and numerator we have sin x. So if I just divide numerator and denominator by dividing numerator denominator by sin x, one of the sin x will go away from everywhere. So what we get here is, we just get 1 by sin x is getting cancelled, so we get 3 minus 4 sin square x. Now this is getting converted into the R type of question. A times sin square x plus or minus b something. Okay. Now when you reach this stage, this step pe what you need to do is, you need to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, right? So again, very important step. I'm going to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So what we get here is, we get 1 by cos square x in the numerator, we get 3 by cos square x, and we get 4 sin square x by cos square x. So what will happen? We get 1 by cos square x as sec square x. Cos square x in the denominator here will go in the numerator will be sec square x. So we get 3 times sec square x, minus we have now sin square by cos square. Sin upon cos will be tan square x. So we get 4 times tan square x. Now it's very much clear that I am going to use tan x as t. So sec square x and dx will be dt. But what about sec square x in the denominator? What to do with this sec square? So like the previous question, here also I am going to write sec square x in the denominator as 1 plus tan square x. So we get 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan square x, and numerator sec square x and dx as it is. So if I just open the bracket in the denominator, we get 3 plus 3 times tan square x minus 4 tan square x dx, and this x square x as it is. So this 3 tan square x minus 4 times tan square x, which we can write as just minus tan square x. So we get 3 minus tan square x sec square x dx. Now substitution. Okay, so put tan x as t, derivative of tan x differentiating with respect to t, derivative of tan x will be sec square x dt by dx, dx on other side. So tan x as t, sec square x dx will be dt. Okay, so this entire sec square x dx I am just going to write as dt now. So my question is just getting converted to 3 minus t square dt. So you just have to focus on this part now. How will you integrate 1 by 3 minus t square? So this is now variable minus constant, right? So do you remember what is integration of 1 by a square minus x square? Try to recall. Okay, I just write here 1 by a square minus x square dx. This is the formula we are going to apply. You can hit that pause button, think, can you remember this formula? You can write down the page. So just apply this formula. We get 1 by 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x plus c. I just apply this formula here. So we get 1 by 2a. So observe karo, a square is 3, not a. A square is 3. So a will be root 3, right? So this will be 1 by 2 times root 3. Now we just write it further. Log mod a plus x. A is root 3. So we get root 3 plus tan x upon root 3. I can write first. मैं काम करता हूँ, पहले मैं t लिखता हूँ, then next step में उसको t का value substitute कर देंगे. So next step what I'll do is I just substitute the value of t. What is the value of t here? Value of t is tan x, right? So we get 1 by 2 root 3 log mod root 3 plus tan x upon root 3 minus tan x plus c. So that's it. This is tan x. Okay. So we get root 3 plus tan x upon root 3 minus tan x. The questions are easy. Only thing is you have to learn how to begin this type of question. So यहाँ पे मैंने sin x by sin 3x question किया था. The question could have been cos x by cos 3x also. ठीक है, you can try that thing, integration of cos x by cos 3x. ठीक है. So if you want the solution of cos x by cos 3x, my email address is given in the chat box below. You can mail it to me. ठीक है. So easy type of question, right? A sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. Now we'll solve some similar question. यहाँ पे a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c था. My next will be just 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. It looks same, right? Sin square, cos square, but next will be sin x and cos. But the approach will be little bit different. Let's learn that also. So our next type of question involves the trigonometric formula, that is sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta in terms of tan. Now believe me, these two formulas are checked in board exam or entrance exam in the entire paper at least once or twice. So one of the two most important formula for sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta is how we can convert them into tan theta. Our next problem type involves these two formulas. You need to know them very nicely. So let me write down this thing. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. I just want you to observe that left hand side angle is 2 theta, right hand side angle is theta. So this is half angle formula, or you can call it double angle formula, whatever you want to say. Next one is sin theta. Okay, now left hand side is having theta. So what will have in the right hand side? Half of it, right? Theta by 2. So my formula will be now written as 2 times tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly, for the cos 2 theta, formula is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and formula for cos theta will be 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now this you need to remember nicely. Again, I am trying to make you understand. Left hand side angle is 2 theta, right hand side angle is theta, left hand side is theta, right hand side is theta by 2. Okay, this need to be taken care very nicely. So what type of question come on this is, now you see this is 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Just now we read 1 by a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. ठीक है, वहाँ पे sin square cos square x was there. Here we have sin x and cos x. So this questions look similar, but the approach is little different. Here the first step is what you need to understand in this. The first step is divide numerator by cos square x was the previous step. Here the first step is write formula of sin and cos in terms of tan. So you have to write sin x and cos x in terms of tan x by 2, you can say, or in terms of tan theta or tan x, whatever you want to say. So in terms of tan x. Okay, so this is what you need to know. Those formulas need to be applied here very nicely. Let's solve some question on this. You'll have better idea. So my first question here is integration of 1 by 4 minus 5 cos x. So what we'll do here, as we discussed, the first step will be substituting the value of cos in terms of tan. So I get here cos x I am writing as 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Next step, cross multiply, simplify. So we get 4 times 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 5 times, inside the bracket I am keeping as it is at present, 1 minus tan square x by 2, everything divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So next step what I'll do here is, this 1 plus tan square x by 2 I'll take in the numerator, but I'll write its value. What is 1 plus tan square x by 2? Sec square x by 2, right? Basic trigonometry, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So this goes in the numerator, we get sec square x by 2 Now by this time you also have realized that this is again going to be the similar kind of thing, right? I'm going to put value of tan x as t, so sec square x dx will be dt kind of thing. We'll observe कैसे आएगा वो. So I just open the bracket here. We get 4 plus 4 tan square x by 2 minus 5. Open the bracket, minus minus 5 minus minus plus हो गया तो plus 5 tan square x by 2 dx. Now just observe, थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं इसको. Plus 4 tan square x by 2 and 5 tan square x by 2 put together, what we get is, we get 9 tan square x by 2, and this 4 minus 5 I write as minus 1, and the numerator we have sec square x by 2 dx. Now our problem is very simple. Now we just want to integrate sec square x by 2 upon 9 tan square x by 2 minus 1. Now this is going to be very simple substitution kind of question which we have done previously also, right? So what I'll do here is I'm going to put tan x by 2 as t. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, the derivative of tan x by 2 is sec square x by 2, and derivative of t is dt by dx. Obviously here one thing you need to take care of, that derivative of x by 2 have to be taken again, right? Chain rule. What is derivative x by 2? Derivative x by 2 will be 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 dt by dx. I just write in the way we need. Basically what we need is, we need sec square x by 2, we need sec square x by 2 and dx together. So let me take these two things together. What we get here is, we get sec square x by 2 and dx together. This is going to be equal to 2 times dt. So this sec square x by 2 dx I'll be writing as 2 times dt, and tan square x by 2 will be t square हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. So we get 9t square in the denominator. So what we get here is, we get 2 dt, and here we get 9t square minus 1. Now 2 being constant, we just keep outside the integration sign, so I have to integrate 9t square minus 1 dt. ठीक है. Now simple application of 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by variable minus constant, keep 2 as it is. So this is going to be, यहाँ पे a square is 1. If a square is 1, a will be 1. So what we get here is 1 by 1 log mod 1 by 2 times a, sorry, we get 1 by 2 times a log mod x minus a upon x plus a, right? So observe यहाँ पे 9t square is x square, right? 9t square is x square, so x will be 3t, right? So what we get here is, we get 3t minus 1 upon 3t plus 1 plus c, and then there is something very important here which you need to take care of very nicely, that is coefficient of t. What is coefficient of t here? Coefficient of t is 3. So what I need to do here is, I need to multiply by 1 by 3 here. Now can we cancel something? Observe, this 2 is actually getting cancelled. So what is left finally with us is, we get 1 by 3 log mod 3 times. Now substitute the value of t. What is value of t? Value of t हमने लिया था tan x by 2 minus 1 upon 3 times value of t is tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c, and that's my answer. Okay. So very frequently asked question type. Okay. You need to know in the beginning that sine and cos have to be converted into tan, and then you can just use substitution and then use those special integral formulas. Okay. But you need to know the first step. The problem lies in the first step. Will you be able to do it? And you should also not get confused between a sin square x, b cos square x plus c, and a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Keep these two things in mind. Things will be easier for you in the exam. Okay. So let's solve one more question on this type of thing. Our next question on this type of thing is 1 by, we have 2 plus cos x minus sin x. We have 2 plus cos x minus sin x. Let's solve this question. Integration of 1 by 2 plus cos x minus sin x. First step is going to be the same thing. I am just going to write the value of cos in terms of tan. Cos in terms of tan I write as 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sine in terms of tan, I write 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now I need to take LCM, so यहाँ पे denominator में tan square 1 plus tan square x by 2 we have. So I just simplify this here, we get 1 by this 2 is, I'm multiplying with 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2. Okay, and now we just try to simplify this, and everything divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So I can take that in the numerator, right? 1 plus tan square x by 2 I can take in the numerator. So 1 plus tan square x by 2 I am taking the numerator. Next step पे क्या करेंगे, ये 1 plus tan square x by 2 के बदले हम लोग क्या कर देंगे, we can write sec square x by 2, right? So we just try to simplify this. I open the bracket, so 2 plus 2 tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2, and numerator I am just going to write as sec square x by 2. Now we need to simplify this. Observe इसको कैसे simplify करेंगे. So if you just observe, we have 2 tan square x by 2 and minus tan square x by 2. Put these two things together, we get just tan square x by 2. So we get tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2. I am writing it here. This is minus 2 tan x by 2. Okay, and in the end we have 2 plus 1, which I can write as 3. Numerator I am not doing anything, keeping as it is sec square x by 2 dx. Next is, now substitution will come into the picture. So now by the time, I think now you are well versed with this kind of thing. Tan x by 2 is t, and if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of tan x by 2 will be sec square x by 2, and derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2, derivative of t is dt by dx. Same as previous question, I just take sec square x by 2 and dx on one side, so I got value 2 dt. So what I am going to do here is I am going to substitute numerator sec square x by 2 and dx as again 2 dt. So just substitute this value. What we get here is we get 2 dt, and this will be t square minus 2t plus 3. Now what we have is, now we have a proper quadratic equation. 2 being constant, keep outside. 1 by t square minus 2t. I am just doing it directly here. You can use that a square 2ab method and you can do that way also, but what I am doing is I am going to write 3 as 1 plus 2, so that t square minus 2t plus 1 I will replace as t minus 1 the whole square. So observe what I am doing in the next step. So this is t minus 1 the whole square, and instead of 2 I am just going to write as root 2 the whole square. So this will be root 2 the whole square dt. Now this is 1 by x square plus a square, right? So basic formula है 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by 8 tan inverse of x by a. So just apply the formula, we get 1 by a. A is the constant here, which is root 2. So we get 1 by root 2 tan inverse of t minus 1 by root 2 plus c. Now can we cancel this 2 and this root 2, can we cancel? Now observe that 2 can always be written as root 2 into root 2, right? So one of the root 2 will get cancelled. So what we get in the numerator is we just get root 2, right? 2 by root 2 को simplify कर दिया. Tan inverse t, value of t was tan x by 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus c, and that's my answer. Okay, so this was very simple. First step, identifying that we need to apply here sin x and cos x in terms of t. That's where the difficulty lies. Once you do that, ahead it is going to be very simple, very easy. We just have to apply the formula, right? So let's solve next question. But next question I am just going to make little small change here. Instead of sin x and cos x, my next question, the question number 3 in this series basically. Okay, the next question, just write it again. The next question will have 1 by 3 plus 2 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x. That's my next question. So instead of sin x and cos x, now we have sin 2x. My writing is bad, let me write it again. 2 times sin 2x. Okay. So sin 2x, what is the formula for sin 2x? 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Let's see what is happening here. I'll basically follow the same method. We get 3 plus 2. I just write value of sin 2x, that is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, cos 2x as 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. We simplify this little bit. So we get 3 plus 3 tan square x plus 2 and 2 will give me 4 tan x, plus if I open the bracket I get 4 minus 4 tan square x, everything divided by 1 plus tan square x, which I take in the numerator 1 plus tan square x dx. Next step, 1 plus tan square x is we are going to write as sec square x. So quite similar to the previous thing. Only thing is previous we have sin x and cos x. Now we have sin 2x and cos 2x. So slight change how we apply the formula. So this is sec square x. Next thing I am just going to write this as, observe we have 3 tan square x and minus 4 tan square x, which will be minus tan square x. I am just writing here minus tan square x. We have 3 and 4, 3 plus 4, this two things will give me 7 plus 4 tan x. Now we just identify here that we need to use substitution, right? And substitution क्या होगा? Put tan x equal to t, right? So if tan x equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, derivative tan x will be sec square x, derivative t will be dt by dx. Take dx on other side, so we get sec square x and dx again is going to be dt. Okay, so problems are quite similar. 7 plus 4t minus t square dt. Now in today's session, this is the first time I am getting minus t square. So just let's revise how we have handled actually previously minus t square. So what I do here is I just write 7 minus inside the bracket t square minus 4t, right? This is okay. So if I keep minus outside, it will be minus 4t. I just want you to observe that this minus and minus is actually plus 4t. So I am writing plus 4t. I am just keeping one minus outside the bracket. So we just simplify this. So t square minus 4t is very easy to think कि मुझे plus 4 करना पड़ेगा. So t square minus 4t. So what I am going to do here is I am going to do plus 4. But is it really plus 4? No, actually what is happening is outside we have minus. So this minus and plus is basically minus. So to adjust this minus 4, what I need to do here is plus 4. So to adjust I am just doing plus 4 also. I hope this adjustment is clear. मैंने minus 4 ब्रैकेट में किया है, ब्रैकेट में एक्चुअली माइनस कॉमन लेने के अंदर वजह से वहाँ पे प्लस हो गया. सो प्लस 4, दिस दो दिस इज लुकिंग लाइक प्लस 4, बट इफ यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट दिस इज एक्चुअली minus 4, राइट? सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस व्हाई वी हैव taken plus 4 outside. So now just one step simplification. So this will be 11. Can I write instead of 11 root 11 the whole square? It will be easier for you to apply the formula. Minus t minus 2 the whole square dt. Now this is like constant minus variable, right? 1 by constant minus variable, formula is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x. Just apply the formula. 1 by 2 times a, what is a here? A is root 11 log mod a plus x upon a minus x, root 11 plus t minus 2 root 11 minus t minus 2 inside the bracket. So I just do one more step, substituting the value of t here. What is the value of t here? Value of t is tan x for this question. So I just substitute tan x, open the bracket, so we get minus 2 here. In the denominator, if I open the bracket, what will happen? I get minus tan x, and also this minus and minus will be plus. So I get plus 2 here, plus c, and that's my answer. Okay. So in today's session, we have done a lot of very frequently asked type of question in the board exam and the entrance exam. So these questions are taken from the previous year board questions and previous year entrance exam. Also you have similar type of questions. So make sure you practice this kind of thing. Unless until you just write this thing without seeing in the exam the small steps which I was taking care here in the problem, at times create a small hindrance in the exam. So make sure to learn the smart way, write without seeing if possible. So Now, time to do practice problem. You have to make sure that after this entire session, the session where you learn some very important questions for the exam 2021, now you try this 4 questions. Okay, these questions are easy, similar to what we have done till today, and you have to make sure that you do it today. Okay, so after watching this session, you can try attempting this 4 questions, and you can write in the comment box below that whether you are managing to solve this 4 questions or not. In fact, my email address is also given in the description box below. You can mail your solution to me, what you have got the answer, and if you have any doubt, difficulty in integration or any other chapter, just mail it to me. I will make sure that I'll make you understand those concepts nicely, and we managed to do well in the exam 2021. Very near, no? Exam 2021 is very near, so few months are left. Make sure that you practice nicely and you put efforts. I hope everybody is putting 8 to 10 hours, minimum 8 to 10 hours every day studying. So at the end, like, share, subscribe, and keep enjoying.